here we have a box on my desk. So we're going to open it. It's another fan. It's actually a fan I've never seen before. It's quite kind of rare. Maybe. This is a tough box. Oh no, they packed it full of packing peanuts. Bruh, are we serious? I don't know what to do. I'll be right back. Alright, problem solved. So this is a Westinghouse all-purpose fan, which personally I've not seen before. I don't know if they're rare or not. It also came with a little note card. Let's read it. Hi, thank you so much for placing an order for your fan through TikTok. I did lots of research on this fan. Asked several antique experts if they've seen one like it. None of us have. Hope you like it and will make something a favorite. We have lots more to put online. Take care. Something. I don't know. Looks like it was purchased at a store because there's a tag here that says $60. You can't really see it. Yeah. Let's look around it. Has, I think, plastic blades which spin in like the opposite direction of a normal fan. I can't really tell much else about this fan other than it can sit like this, or like this, and that's about it. Yeah, let me get this off here. I did a really crap job at that. So I don't have much else to say about it. There's no info tags other than CXW5. On the bottom, it says 120 volts, 0.7 amps, 60 cycles, model. AL021, Westinghouse, yeah. It appears to not have an on-off switch, so I guess it turns on the moment you plug it in. So let's see what happens. Undo this cord here. Let's hope it does. Let's see what happens. Alright. 3, 2, 1. It's on. It seems to be gaining speed. I think it's about as fast as it's willing to go. It pushes an okay amount of air. Actually quite strong. It carries really well, surprisingly. It travels a lot farther than I anticipated. Would have thought it would. Could use some bearing work. Don't know what is inside or how to get in there. Can't really see it that well. This flashlight sucks. Oh damn. Where's my flash? Right. This desk. Whatever's inside there is really hairy, which is odd. Yeah, it's like just covered in dirt and stuff. This thing has a nine, nearly 10-inch blades, like 9 3/4. I don't see anything else on this that could indicate the possibility of changing how fast it goes. Bruh. Well, that's really all I got for this fan. I have nothing else to say about it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.